morning. Bit of a chaotic start to the vlog this morning. I've just been chilling in bed for like the last half an hour. I've just dropped my glasses as well. I currently can't see anything. Thinking, oh yeah, I've got loads of time. This is going to be such a chill morning. Oh my god, the state of my hair. Completely forgetting that in 9 minutes time I've got an online lecture. I don't know why, but I think just because I've spent so much time in the house recently, just at my desk, that all concept of time has gone out the window, and I've just completely forgotten like what day of the week it is. And it's Tuesday, it's 10 to 9, and I've got a live lecture at 9, so I really don't know what I'm playing at. Luckily I don't have to have my camera on or anything, so I think I'm fully gonna sit here in my pajamas and watch this lecture because I don't really have time to get ready now. I literally woke up just then in such a rush. It went from like such a chill, nice morning to literally scrambling out of bed, having to start this vlog and having to now get straight onto my laptop and get straight into this lecture. I don't even know what module it's for.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living.
Okay, so can you have a go now? So you have an idea. Fantastic, thank you.
If you've watched any of my revision videos or study with me's since my GCSEs, then you'll know that one of my favourite revision resources to make are mind maps. I just think they're such a good way to visually see all of your information in one place. They're also so good for brainstorming and making links between different concepts. That's why I'm very excited to talk to you about today's sponsor, eDraw MindMaster, which allows you to make mind maps on your computer. With the move to online teaching, I think being able to make revision resources such as mind maps on your computer or laptop is so useful, because it just means that you're gonna have everything in one place and you can easily send it to people that you're working on projects with. You can easily send it to your lecturers or your teachers, and you can still customize the mind maps on MindMaster just as much as you could customize one that you made by hand, probably even more to be honest, because they have 12 different mind map themes. So whether you want to make a fishbone one, a timeline, a radial map, and over 40 different color schemes, so you can really make it look any way that you would want. Once you've created your mind map on MindMaster, you can export it to over 10 different file types. So whether you need it for a PowerPoint presentation, whether you need it in a Word document, a PDF, and the software is fully supported by whatever device you're using. So whether that be an Apple laptop, a Windows laptop, you can even use it on your phone. If you're using the online web version, MindMaster has an amazing tool that allows you to collaborate with other people. So if you're working on a group project at university, for example, you could all work on the mind map at the same time. You can only access the collaborate feature if you do upgrade to a premium account, but you can try this out completely for free, and I'd really recommend that you guys do. I'll have the link down below in the description, because I feel like this is such a good revision resource, especially with everything moving online now. And if you do upgrade to a premium account, then there also is a student discount available that I'll also have linked down below in the description. Very confused what has happened to this plant. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's just sort of died on me. Like, it's very, very lopsided and it doesn't feel very rooted in the soil anymore. And I don't really know why, because it was doing so well for so long. And now I just feel like it's kind of dying. Like, look at that. Does that not look like a dead leaf? If anyone's got any of these plants, I have no idea the name of it or anything, please let me know what I can do to save this little guy. I feel like maybe I need to put like more soil in it around here because I don't know, it's kind of just like wobbling all over the place, but then I don't really have any soil unless I suppose I take soil from another plant, but it's making me so sad. Just look at him, he looks so sorry for himself. It's now 11:30 and I've done my lecture, which I did at 9. I made it just on time which is so good, although I suppose it doesn't really make a difference anyway because it's not like they see you, and then also the first 10 minutes was just like pointless waffle anyway that I knew, so really ran around for no reason. But anyway, I've done that now. I've just done all of my like admin and chores, and now I actually need to get on with some work. The first thing that I'm going to do today is I need to do some research for my first assignment. My first deadline is the 30th of October, and it's for my Developing Your Potential module, and we basically have to do like a mock video interview. It's a bit of a weird assignment, but it's still 30% of our grade for that module, so obviously I want to do well in it, and I need to research Vodafone for that. So I'm gonna set a timer on Forest for an hour, try and get myself more commercially aware regarding Vodafone, because not gonna lie, it's something that I've never really researched before in detail. I've just had lunch and just like chilled out for a bit and watched YouTube, and now we are back at my desk, back ready to do more work. Now I need to do a pre-recorded lecture for my climate change module, because basically every single module seems to be doing it differently, but for my climate change discovery one, there's basically 16 pre-recorded lectures that we have to go through in our own time, and then we have a live lecture and a live webinar each week, I think. So basically I have to do the pre-recorded lectures before the live lecture. So today I need to do lecture number 5 in preparation for the webinar on Friday, but I also need to do like a problem sheet before Friday as well, so that's why I need to do the lecture earlier. But I don't know where that problem sheet is, so I've just had to email the lecturer about that, but hopefully this isn't going to take too long. I've just downloaded it now. With these lectures, they either seem to take me like 3 hours or like 45 minutes. There doesn't seem to be an in-between, although this one is only 30 slides long, so that's not too bad. Hopefully that will only take me like an hour or so. Now 3:30. I have spent literally an entire hour, I want to say, just procrastinating, watching YouTube. I was downstairs talking to my housemates for a long time, but now I need to get back on with some work as usual. This vlog is getting very predictable already, but hopefully tomorrow should actually be more interesting, because I don't even know if I've said this or not, but I'm gonna vlog today and tomorrow, so I'm trying to be really productive today, so then tomorrow I can have more of a fun day, because I'm going into town with my housemates. We're gonna get our nails done, we need to get some fancy hats for a social, and it just should be more of like an outdoorsy dynamic day. The next thing I need to do is another pre-recorded lecture, but I've just looked and this lecture is only 34 minutes long, which is just beautiful. It is like the best feeling when you find that your pre-recorded lecture is like under an hour. I don't know, it pleases me a lot. So I'm just gonna sit in bed and do this now. I don't normally work in bed, but my house is absolutely freezing, and I'm also kind of getting sick of just sitting at my desk, so. currently 2 p.m. and it's Wednesday today. I have not filmed anything this morning. I've been such a rubbish vlogger. I basically completely forgot that I was going to vlog today too, and also it's just been a really busy morning for some reason. We went to the gym this morning for the first time in about 3 weeks, and we were genuinely there for about an hour and a half. I don't know why we took so long, but to be fair, it was really busy as well, which would have made filming hard anyway. But we did a really good workout, and then since I've been back, I've just had such a rush with making things for Leeds Fin Sites and then also sorting out the Zoom link, because we've basically got a Lub Social event this evening at 8 p.m. It's a Zoom call and we're playing like drinking games, and we've made quiz rounds and stuff as a committee. So I've been sorting out like the social media side of that, promoting it, sorting out the Zoom link. So that's taken some time, and I've also had a shower and just got ready because now we're gonna head into town. We're gonna get our nails done. We need to get a few bits and bobs from the shop, and then we're also gonna try the new Nando's vegan chicken thing. So hopefully it's gonna be a very exciting afternoon, and I'll try to actually remember to vlog some of it this time. Right, really quickly before I leave, because I'm holding up all of my housemates currently, this is my outfit for today. Very baggy vibes actually, but it's really comfy. So this leather blazer is from Naked Fashion, I think it's called. Then my hoodie is Motel Rocks. It's actually got loads of like stains on it, which is such a vibe, but I really just cannot be bothered to change it now. I didn't realise when I first put it on. My bag is super cute. I was really kind of gifted this by a brand called, oh my god, I'm going to completely butcher it, like Hiku clothing or something. It's spelt like Heiko. Don't really know how to pronounce that, but it's so cute. It's got like a little oat milk bottle on it. My jeans are from Weekday, I think, and then I've also got my Balenciagas on. And yeah, hopefully gonna get an Instagram photo today, because I'm aware that I haven't posted on Instagram in like 3 years. So you might see this outfit on my Instagram before you see it in this video. Let me know if you did, if I did actually take a photo.
It's all or nothing. Ooh, it's all or nothing. Ignore the signs and socialize. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime. You got every act to do. Who cares what the people think? 'Cause it's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime.
Good morning, it is Thursday and it's 20 past 8, and I'm surprisingly not that hungover this morning, despite drinking a whole bottle of wine during that Lub Social last night. But I suppose the thing about things starting earlier now is that you get to bed earlier, so you don't tend to be as hungover. But the Lub Social last night actually went so well. I'm sorry that I didn't really vlog like talking clips yesterday. We were honestly running around like all day. I don't know how it was such a rush, because we only really managed to do 2 things, which was go to the gym and then get our nails done. These are my nails. I think these are honestly the longest acrylics I've ever had, but my friend Maeve was getting similar ones and she got hers done before me, and I was just inspired by hers because the shape of hers was so nice, like kind of like a long square. So I got some too. They're like ombre lilac, and lilac isn't a colour I'd go for either, but I feel like they work really well in ombre, and I'm back on the acrylics train now. I was doing so well with just getting gels for ages, and then they just all started snapping, and I just like having long nails, so I'm back on acrylics, which I know is so bad for your nails, but they do look really nice. Then after getting our nails done yesterday, we went to Nando's to try the new vegan chicken thing. I've forgotten the name of it now. It's something like the Great Imitator, but I'd really recommend it because I feel like being vegetarian or vegan or pescatarian, there's not really a lot that you can have at Nando's apart from like the beanie burger. But obviously if you're vegan, you can't have that because it's got cheese in it. So I'm really glad that they've got that option now because it was so good. But I'm going to end the vlog now because I need to edit this and get it up for Saturday hopefully. So I hope you've enjoyed, and if you have, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also follow my social media, which will be linked down below in the description. Bye guys.